Manage Purchase Manager. In Suppliers Hub, we have an option to create a purchase manager. This particular person can have access to your Suppliers Hub module and can take on the task of dealing with suppliers. Let us see how can we enable this in Petpooja inventory. First, you have to log into your owner's dashboard and then go to the particular outlet. Once you reach the outlet, we'll proceed to Suppliers Hub. Under Suppliers Hub, you'll see the heading for Manage Purchase Manager. Here, you can add the details of the particular person, their name, their email, their mobile number and their WhatsApp number, and click on Submit. Once done, that particular person will get the access to your Suppliers Hub. So whenever they log into their owner's dashboard, they will be able to manage this outlet's Suppliers Hub account. Thank you.